Hello students, myself Tulu Bhaiji. This is your English Bharbharti Standard 2 textbook. Yes, you all guessed right. We will start a new topic from this. In Standard 2, there are 4 units. Every units carry different topics. So, we will start from Unit 1, that is 1.1 Bridge. Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of bridge? Yes, it's a pool. So, here we go. Listen and recite the poem with action. Boat sails on the river. Means small जो boats होती है rivers में sail करती है. And ships sail on the sea. जो big जो ships रहते हैं वो big seas में sail करते हैं जैसे समंदर में. So from the here picture you can see boat sails on the river and ship sails on the sea. Yes. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than this. Means जो आसमान है clouds वो sky में sail होते हैं. Means आप देखते हैं ना वो just move होते रहते हैं clouds तो वो इनसे भी ज़्यादा beautiful होते हैं. For example, I am going to show you. See, this cloud sails in the sky. There are bridges on the river as pretty as you please. Rivers में pools होते हैं, bridges होते हैं ना, वो भी बहुत beautiful होते हैं. Even they look very beautiful. See. There are bridges on the river as pretty as you please. ये bridges है pool है river में. But the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the tree. Here the bow means yes rainbow. जब भी rainbow होता है bridges to heaven means जन्नत. जब वो स्काई में होता है रेम्बो ब्रिज बनाता है स्काई में तो वो एकदम ब्यूटीफुल लगता है. ओवर टॉप द ट्रीज मतलब फुल ओवर टॉप हम सबसे ऊपर रहता है स्काई में मतलब ट्रीज से भी ऊपर रहता है वो स्काई में. हियर इज़ द लुक बट द बोट दैट ब्रिजेस हेवन एंड ओवर टॉप द ट्रीज. देखो ट्रीज के ऊपर है क्योंकि वो फुल स्काई में कवर्ड कर देता है तो वो That's look very beautiful. And build a road from earth to sky is prettier far than this. ये जो रोड बनाते हैं जो रैम्बो आप लोग ने रैम्बो तो देखे होंगे. यू हैव ऑल सीन रैम्बो ड्यूरिंग रेनी सीजन स्पेशली. तो वो एक रैम्बो बिल्ड करते हैं अर्थ से जो स्टार्ट होते हैं स्काई तक जाते हैं वो बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल होते हैं. इट्स अ वेरी प्रीटियर फार देन दिस. Look here. This looks very prettier from earth to sky. So students, I think you all have understood the poem very well. So listen and recite the poem with action. Boat sails on the river and ships sail on the sea. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than this. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please. But the boat that bridges heaven and overtop the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than this. So, this poem is written by Christina Rossetti. So, now moving to the A part. Write down the things that have following colors. Yes. Can anyone tell me what are the things in the following colors? Yes, we'll start from first one. Violet. What are the things? Yes, It must be crepes, brinjal, etc. etc. Second is indigo. Indigo, blueberry. Yes, what is the color of the blueberry is indigo. What is the third one? Blue. This is very easy. You all can guess? Yes, sky, ink. What is the fourth one? Green. Green. You all must be loving vegetables. Vegetables are in green. Leaves. What is the fourth color? What is the fifth color? Yellow. Yellow, lemon, banana, and many more. What will be the orange color? Yes, yours and my favorite, orange, carrot, and many more. What will be in red color? Tomato, apple, and rose, and many things. You can think. So students, now you know the things that have following colors. Now we will read the following words. Okay. R-I-V-E-R, river. River means nadi. S-K-Y, sky. Sky means asman. S-E-A, sea means samandar. C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. What does the clouds mean? Can anyone tell me? Yes, it's a badal. B-R-I-D-G-E-S, bridge. What does the bridge means? Pool. H-E-A-V-E-N, heaven. Heaven means Jannat. A-C-R-O-S-S, across. What does the across means? Samne. E-A-R-T-H, earth means Prithvi. P-R-E-T-T-I-E-R, prettier. Prettier means beautiful. Khoobsurat. S-H-I-P-S, ship means, what does the ship means? जहाज, जो बिग बिग शिप्स होते हैं ना सीज में, दैट. B-O-W, bow. What does the bow means? Rambo. O-V-E-R-T-O-P-S, overtops. Overtop means सबसे top. So students, you must be enjoyed by learning this bridge poem. I have an assignment for you all. Write this poem one time in your notebook. And this 12 hard words 3 times each in your notebook. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.